Have you ever tried pedaling a bicycle up a really steep hill? You would find pedaling is much more difficult in steep hill. What happens if the gear of the bicycle changes? Let us learn from this video. Gear is just a wheel with teeth. To do any work, you need at least two gears with their teeth fitting into each other. Because of the teeth fit each other, when we turn one gear, the other one turns too. Consider two gears A and B. A is small and B is big. If you apply same force on this gear, torque is generated on the gear. Torque is the force which makes the things turns or rotate. Torque is given by force into perpendicular distance between the axis of rotation and the line of action of the force. That can be written as tau equal to F into D. Here, dB is greater than dA. So, tau B is greater than tau A. Bigger gear has greater torque. That means more torque means easy to rotate. So, it is easy to rotate bigger gear than smaller gear if same force is given to two gears. If we connect one big gear with a small one and apply some force to the smaller gear, big gear moves slowly. Since torque of the big gear is greater than smaller gear, it is easy to rotate bigger gear. If you rotate smaller gear once, the bigger gear complete only a fraction of one rotation. Similarly, if you apply force in the bigger gear, then it is hard to rotate the smaller one. But when the bigger gear complete one rotation, the smaller one complete two or three rotations. So, even though it is difficult to rotate, the speed is greater for smaller gear. Therefore, by using gear, we can transfer kinetic energy from one gear to another, we can change the speed of the gear, and we can change the direction of the gear. Now come to our problem. While climbing mountain, by shifting into lower gear, you can make it up a lot easier. When you are in lower gear, the wheel only turns a short distance, but it is easy to rotate with bigger gear. So, with less force, we can ride for longer distance. When you are in higher gear, the wheel turns a large distance, and also you would find pedaling much more difficult. So, by lowering the gear, it is easy to pedaling with less speed, and by highering the gear, it is hard to pedaling with higher speed.